You're right. You're right. They crash. They crash hard. They crash hard. Look at this one. Look at, she stopped too.
She crashed up. She hit us.
They crash hard, man. He took the red light or something. Why did she stop like that? Wow, they crashed. I actually got it on film. Oh, I got it on film. I gotta get, I don't know if I should stop. I don't know, there was this girl and she was like, yeah, like I don't know if they were racing or what. Are they alright? It's a woman.
Oh my goodness.
What happened?
The car is messed up. Oh, the car. Everything is... Jesus.
I don't even know how they crashed. Were they racing?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if I should wait.
It's really cold.
Should I give them the video or something?
Yeah, you should.
Is this one?
What was that, dude? You better not have hit me. Pull over. Pull over.
The extra mile is just a mile, if it's for a neighbor. Because we're Alabama proud, and so is every Alabama-built Honda. Honda is the most American-made automaker. Visit your North Alabama Honda dealer today. Honda is Alabama proud. Honda makes 4 of the top 10 most American-made 2021 model year vehicles ranked at Cars.com American-Made Index. Honda vehicles are manufactured using domestic and globally sourced parts.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Vine Street. Okay. Okay, Mom.
Where a story sounds fantastic until you have a chat. And I've been on both sides. I've had a client tell a story. It sounded great. And by the way, the opposing counsel dismantled that story. I've also been in the the bull as opposed to where I'm goring the witness. So before you just buy hook, line, and sinker, remember, we have an adversarial system in America. There's somebody talking about democracy and the Constitution. You can't just ignore the Sixth Amendment.
All right. What else, Mark?
Well, you know, there's another story that's fascinating, Jerry. Murder, right? You want to give us an update on this?
Yeah, so Adam, I'm not sure if you had heard or not, but it came out that he was involved in drug trafficking, and he had posited many months back.
The lawyer?
The lawyer, whose son and wife were found murdered at one of their hunting estates, and the latest news this week is that he's going to be charged with murder.
You know, drugs, all roads lead to drugs. Like if you ever just have an acquaintance or something.
Nice.
And you
Nice.
You say, oh, we're friends with
Nice.
a widow, her husband was murdered.
Way to fucking go. Way to fucking go, you fucking idiot.
The murdering is with the drugs.
I've always wondered how people did that.
Just how it works.
Well, I'm sitting in the office.
Help here, buddy.
We're 2 blocks away from where that woman, the Olympian, was hit with the pipe by one of the inhabitants of the zombie apocalypse that is downtown Los Angeles. And some guy, I wish I had his name, I couldn't have shout out, ended up tackling him and holding him, the perp, until whatever.
I always wondered how people did that. There you fucking go. What a dumbass.